Are you looking for an outstanding business card? You've come to the right place. Hi, I'm Sarath, also known as Fiverr Designs. I'm a professional graphic designer based here in India, and I do this work full-time. Why? Because I love it. I'm also a Fiverr top-rated seller, which also means top trusted freelancer. My goal is your complete 100% satisfaction, and I've proudly earned over 8,000 positive reviews in the past 5 years. To get started on your business card design, feel free to choose from my basic, standard, or premium packages, and we can begin your project right away. If you need even faster delivery, be sure to select my one-day delivery option. I look forward to working with you. Thanks for checking out my business card design service, exclusively here on Fiverr.